Hi there, friends. Big news this week. Mortgage rates have dropped following the recent tariff announcements. If you're wondering how these global events impact your home buying or refinancing plans, let's break it down. I'm Yasmin, your trusted mortgage broker. Let's get into it. In response to President Trump's recent announcement on tariffs, China imposed a 34% retaliatory tariff on all U.S. imports. This escalation has led JP Morgan to increase the probability of a global recession to 60%. Subsequently, we've seen a sharp decrease in mortgage rates. Right now, the 30-year fixed is around 6.55%. And this is due largely to investors selling off stocks because they anticipate companies will struggle with the effects of tariffs and are seeking safer assets like the U.S. Treasury bonds, which influence mortgage rates downward. While lower mortgage rates can make borrowing more affordable, the newly imposed tariffs are expected to increase the cost of building materials, potentially raising the price of a new home by $9,200. This creates a balancing act for prospective home buyers between favorable borrowing conditions and rising new property costs. So while rates are lower and home prices haven't sharply increased yet, I'd strongly recommend getting pre-approved and home shopping now. Looking ahead, experts have adjusted their forecasts in light of recent events. Fannie Mae now expects the 30-year fixed mortgage to average around 6.3% by the end of this year, a slight improvement from earlier predictions. However, these projections are subject to change based on economic developments and policy decisions. I always say a bird in the hand is worth two in the bush. If you can afford a home now and have a stable job, take advantage of today's market conditions. And homeowners, if you're considering refinancing to lower your payment or tap into your home's equity, now is a good time to explore these options before any potential rate increases. To help you get into your new home, we're offering special pricing incentives for qualified home buyers. With down payment assistance, we have various programs offering between $5,000 to over $18,000 in free grants, forgivable and repayable second loans. So with 100% financing and rate buydowns, there are options to make homeownership more affordable. And we can close loans in as little as 10 days nationwide. Thanks so much for watching. If you want to lower your payments or get into a home, let's talk now. If you have questions, I've extended hours on the weekend by appointment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next week. Bye for now.